Hey, what's up guys, this is Rakesh and I'm back with another video. This is the unboxing of the Amazon Basics 16-inch tripod guys. So let's see what's written in the box. No, there is nothing written guys. So let me grab my knife and cut this sort of packing. I wrap up the bubble wrap guys, so let's get started. Let me just here you got the tripod bag guys. The bag quality looks nice. You can easily carry. So let me just open it. Here you got it. The Amazon Basics 16-inch tripod. Let me just take it out of this cover. Wow, the build quality looks very nice for the price guys. It is made up of aluminium and the pan head is made up of high quality plastic. So let's extend this and see how long it can go. This is the minimum size of the tripod guys. Let me just show you the maximum height of the tripod. The legs comes out like this. It has a lock over here. Let me just extend. And you can also raise this stick. Let me just show you. It has a lever over here. This is the maximum height guys. It is more than height from me, and this is the pan head which I talked in the unboxing video. The pan head is very nice guys. You can take easily 360 degree video. So now let's see how to fix a camera and a tripod. Now let me just show you how the videos look on this tripod guys. This is the pan head, tilt head, and you have to lock this lever guys. When you over tighten this lever, the tripod will not up and down guys. And when you tighten this nut, the tripod will not move left and right guys. Let me just tighten. The tripod will not move guys. Now let me just show you the controls. This is the left and right rotation, and this is the ascent and descent rotation guys. Let me just show you the video samples in a moment. These are the video samples that shot on the tripod guys. This is the left and right rotation, and this is the ascent. This is the descent and the ascent rotation guys. The videos are not shaking anymore guys. You can definitely enjoy this tripod with this price range. This is the best tripod I haven't ever seen in this price range guys. I will definitely recommend this tripod for you guys. That's all our quick unboxing and review on this tripod guys. It's a nice tripod for the price. It performs well. It is available in the Amazon guys. I leave the links in the description box down below. That was it for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.